You guys see that Bears score? Introducing everyone to the new Brats from the TD's Brew Barbecue Butcher's Block line. Made fresh, made local, right here in the Permian Basin. They're 165 degrees internally. They are cooked perfectly. Carne Sutra brat. And this is the spicy Carne Sutra brat. So if you caught the Bears halftime quick recipe show, I have some sauerkraut down in the bottom of this pan, Carne Sutra, and a little bit of southern mustard, a little bit of the brine, 450 degrees on my kettle Joe. We're gonna use this sauerkraut to top off our brats here in just a moment. Oh, flag, 19 to 10, Bears are still up. And we're gonna sear these brats. Now I don't know why I did that, but so I'm gonna get a good sear. I don't want it to bust open my skin on my brats. Just mix it up just a little bit here. Yeah, you can see it's kind of starting to stick to the bottom. We want a little bit of a sticky texture right here. This is what you're looking for. We got to watch our brats. I want them to get too hot. Look at that. Look at that. These are great casings. These guys are going to sear freaking amazingly. Crisp up that casing. Damn. Oh man, that Kraut is killer. We're getting hot and heavy on these brats. We're going to crisp up these casings. We're going to stick them back in that sauerkraut. If you want to get your hands on these TDs, so all I'm doing is I'm crisping up these casings. I like my brats to have a nice, a beautiful, beautiful crunch as soon as we're done. These brats are absolutely amazing. When I grill, I always make sure that everything is constantly moving around on the grill. Forgot my beans. There we go. That's what we're looking for on our brats. Oh yeah. There you go. There you go. That's a good brat right there. TD's Brew and Barbecue, Butcher's Block, Carne Sutra, and spicy Carne Sutra brats. Go pack, go. Ha! Does that look like a brat that you want to put in your face? This is a different fork, by the way. Is that sauerkraut? Oh man, I just turned around. What a catch! That was beautiful. I don't know what was better, the catch or the throw. How do these look, everybody? I wish you guys could smell them. Sauerkraut's cooked. Oh, this is gonna be amazing. Magna Chef gloves, my beans, so they're getting warm. Spicy Carne Sutra brat here. OG brat, or Carne Sutra brat, sorry. Grab some of this sauerkraut, put it right on the top of my brats. On a bun, you can put it on a bun. This way it works. Absolutely fantastic. You gotta do this to your kraut. You gotta do it to your kraut. Premium pork and Carne Sutra Bratwurst. Pretty much just kind of like the Packers, they're about to be done. And what was that field goal? Oh, that was terrible. Damn it, Santos. And let's just cut it open. Just how awesome these brats are. Look at that. Damn. That is a good brat. Check out the spicy Carne Sutra brat. Excuse me. On the wrong pipe. Spicy one. If Wisconsin makes the best brats in the world, in the United States, they used to. Put your TDs in your face. Make love to your meat, everybody. Bear down.